Welcome everyone. In this video I'll show you how to fix a John Deere JS46 push mower in with a leaky carburetor. First you'll need a ratchet with a 8mm socket to remove the two air filter housing bolts. Make sure to drain your fuel tank or pinch off the fuel line to prevent gas spilling out. For the next step you'll need your ratchet with a 1/2-inch socket to remove the main jet from the carburetor. Once you remove the jet you can pull the carburetor bowl off the carburetor and remove the old bowl gasket. Remove the old sealing washer from the main jet and clean off any stuck gasket from the washer. Make sure to look down the main jet and double check all the holes are clear of dirt and debris because gas will not flow if the jet is clogged. Go ahead and clean off the lip of the carburetor for the bowl gasket. And spray down the rest of the carburetor and the carburetor bowl with carburetor cleaner or brake cleaner. Now you can install the carburetor bowl gasket on the lip of the carburetor. Now install the new sealing washer for the main jet. Hold the carburetor bowl against the carburetor and hold it there with one hand and carefully hand screw the main jet back and then grab your ratchet and tighten the main jet up, but don't go too tight and strip the aluminum threads out of the carburetor. Now that you have your carburetor back together, go ahead and clean off any gasket material on the intake of the carburetor and the air filter housing to prep it for the new air cleaner gasket. Install the gasket on the air filter housing and reinstall it onto the carburetor with the two 8mm bolts. You're now ready to unclamp your fuel line or fill it up with fresh fuel and go get that grass cut.